did a good job. The installation went smooth, and they did an exceptionally good job. We like the windows. The patio doors are heavy. They are heavy gauge, real strong windows. And then we've got sliding screens that are on the patio doors, and the bay window and stuff, and the bedroom windows and stuff like that, and the garage windows all fine, have no problems, and they look exceptionally good. The value, I think, was pretty good, so I'm real happy about it. And my wife is happy about it also. We're real proud that they did such a good job, and we're very conscientious. They kept the dirt down. We covered everything up. Everything seemed to be fine, but they did a fantastic job. Real happy about it.